In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and rename a frame in Miro. To get started, open your board in Google Chrome by going to Miro.com and loading the board where you want to organize your content. Using Chrome helps make sure the board runs smoothly and that the interface looks the way you expect. Once your board is open, take a moment to look at the canvas and identify the objects you want to group together inside a frame. Frames are useful because they help structure your board visually, making it much easier to present ideas, separate sections, or keep related content organized. Next, go to the Creation toolbar on the left side of the screen and click the Frame tool icon. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press the F key to activate it. This is a quick way to move faster while working, especially if you use frames often. After the Frame tool is selected, your cursor will be ready to draw directly on the canvas. Now click and drag your cursor across the canvas to create the frame. As you drag, you'll define the size and shape of the frame, so try to draw it around the objects you want to include. It's usually a good idea to leave a little extra space around your content so the frame doesn't feel cramped. This can also make it easier to add more items later without needing to resize right away. Once you release your cursor, the frame will appear around that section of your board. After the frame has been created, you can rename it so it's clear and easy to identify. To do that, double-click the frame's header title at the top of the frame. The text will become editable, and you can type in a new name that matches the content inside that section. Choosing a clear descriptive title can make a big difference, especially if your board contains multiple frames or if you're collaborating with other people. That's all it takes to create and rename a frame in Miro. It's a simple feature, but it can make your board much more organized and easier to navigate. Once you get comfortable using frames, they can become one of the most helpful tools for keeping your ideas structured and presentation ready.